Assalamualaikum grade 1, take out your English grammar book and open page number 7. Today our topic is the alphabet. The following letters are called capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are capital letters. The following letters are called small letters, and these letters are called small letters. The letters from A to Z are called alphabet, and there are 26 alphabets. Let us understand. Identify all the small letters by circling them. First of all, now we identify this A is capital letter and M is small letter. So we circling the small letters. So circle M like this. Okay. J is capital and D is small letter. So circle it. Okay. Now do it. Practice. In the table below, some letters are missed out. Complete the table and write all the letters in your notebook like this. Here we have capital A and small a, capital B and small c. But here we have capital C but small c is missed, so you write it here like this. Okay, now do it. It's your homework. Now turn your page number 8. Extended exercises. Look at the picture below. There seems to be a mix-up of small and capital letters in the names. Write the names of each of these pictures in small letters. Okay, here we have mixed capital and small letters. We write in small letters like this: RIVER in small letters. Okay, SUN in small letter, fox, FOX in small letters, HORSE horse, DUCK. All these words write it in small letters. And now look at B part. Read the following word. Which letter do they begin with? Write them in the order in which they should come in the alphabet. 2 words have been done for you. As an example, write the other 5. Okay, here we have some alphabets: cap, mad, net, dog, got, frog and apple. We have some alphabets and we write it in alphabetically order. Okay, first word we have starting from A. You write it here, A, apple. B is missing. Now you write a word starting from C, cap. C, D, D, dog. E is missing. F, EF, F, frog. You write it here. G, EF, G, G, got. You write it here. G, H, I, J, K, L. These alphabets are missing, so leave it and you write K, L, M. M, M for mad. You write it here. And M, N, net. The word net, you write it here. Like, you write these alphabets in alphabetically order. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.